You are going to love the 2024 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.